I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to check the Android version on your Google Pixel. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your Google Pixel phone. Step 2. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and tap About Phone or About Tablet. Step 3. Scroll down until you see Android version. Right under this, you will see your current Android version number. Step 4. Tap Android version. This will take you to a screen where you'll see additional details like your Android security update level, Google Play system update version, and build number. If you are looking to update your phone or tablet to a newer version of Android, you can also check for available updates from your settings. Just go back to the main settings menu, tap System, and then select Software Updates or System Update. Tap Check for Update to see if a new version of Android is ready for your Pixel. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.